Hey guys, today we're working on a 07, 08 Forester. We're just gonna go to paint, and they want us to take this outside door handle off, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Watch the video on how to remove the door panel, and it'll give you an idea how to access this handle. Some Foresters, some cars, people probably got into them and ripped this off. Some haven't. It looks like this door has been I call it a virgin. No one's been in it. We're gonna de-virginize it. Just pull back on this thing. If it's tough, you can heat it up with a hair dryer, the glue, just so you don't damage the plastic. It's a sound barrier. This stuff gets on your hands. This is hard to come off. Careful. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold it down here, get it out of my way, because we're gonna be in here. We're gonna grab a light. This bolt needs to come out. That's the easy one. So let's go and take that out. I'll put your hand down here so when you do pull it out, don't drop it. Okay. Now the other bolt is, we're gonna pull this actuator out of the way. I have another tool. Usually you got one of those hammer tools, you tap and it spins it, but so I'm gonna push that out of the way, kinda. Oh, 110 right here. Now the actuator is loose. See that number 10 right there? Right there. That needs to come out. Ah, don't fall. Aha, I got it. Okay. Now, this handle. Voila. So now let's go to paint. So probably a good idea to put these little tins back in the spot. So when you go ahead and reassemble, you don't lose them. So very simple, not too hard to pull off. Now put the actuator back. Because we'll be driving the car down to paint, and we don't want the door to fly open. Doesn't have to be super tight, but that's that. Now some of you guys wonder, a closed door, how I'm going to open it. There's a little lever right here you push. It's right in front of you. Just push it and it will unlock itself.